Welcome students once again. Yesterday we saw writer says I could board train easily. Means I could enter in the train easily. But I hesitated. And why writer hesitated? Hesitated means what? He did not enter into the train. And why writer hesitated? Because his mind was not ready to go. And why his mind was not ready to go from the town? Why his mind was not ready to run away from the town? There were two reasons. And which two reasons were there? Number one, in his whole life, the person who believed him, the person who trusted him was Anil. This was the first reason. And other reason was there, if he had escaped from that place, he would have lost many opportunities. And what were these many opportunities? We are going to see. But there were two reasons. Number one, he might have lost the person who had believed him very much. And number two, he might have lost many other opportunities. These were the two reasons. About opportunities, we are going to see. Here writer says, when the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. Writer says what? When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. Here meaning of deserted, lonely platform where there was nobody except writer. I had no idea where to spend the night. And writer says, I did not enter in the train. That is okay. But now I had no idea. Idea means what we can say, solution. Where to spend the night means now where to spend the night. Spend the night means what? Stay for the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. And writer says, I had no friends. Why? Because writer always believed that friends are more trouble than help. More trouble than help means what? Generally, robbers, thieves, these people, they have very less friends. Why they have less friends? Because who knows, some of them or any of them may give tip about them to police, may tell about them to what? Police. That's why generally thieves and robbers, they don't make many friends. Here writer also says the same thing. He had no many friends, believing that friends are more trouble than help. Means friends can create what? Trouble in place of what? Helping. Further writer says, And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. And writer says, I means writer did not want to make anybody curious by staying at any small hotel near the railway station. Writer did not want to make anybody curious means what? Suppose if writer had gone to any hotel near the railway station, what would have happened? Obviously, at the hotels, without inquiring about you, without taking information about you, they did not allow you to stay in the hotel. Means if writer had gone to where? To any hotel, that hotel manager or persons which are in the hotel, they might have asked him many questions about his identity. Where are you from? Where do you stay? Now where means from where you have come here? Such type of many questions might have been asked to writer. And for these questions, writer had no answers. Because if writer had come from suppose some other place by Lucknow Express to that town, he might have his luggage with him, at least some bag, but writer had no bag in his hand. On the other hand, writer was on what? Just pajama and kurta suppose. Night dress. Generally, nobody travels by night dress. And next, in a hotel, they ask, now okay, if you have come from this place, now where you want to go next? And if you are staying in this town, then whom you want to meet? Means many problems were there. So writer could not go to any hotel also, because if he had gone there, he would have been asked such type of questions and he had to give answer to such type of questions. That's why writer says, I did not want to make anybody curious, alert, by staying at such type of hotels. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. And at the end writer says, and in this town, if I knew somebody very well, then that person, then that man was who? The man whom I robbed. Means what? Means Ani. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. And writer says, in this thought, I left what? Station. Now where to stay, where to stay? That question came in whose mind? Writer's mind. So he started to walk through the bazaar. Bazaar means what? Nothing. Shops nearby the railway station. These shops are called what? Bazaar. Next writer says, in my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. Writer says, in my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. the greedy man showed fear. The rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance. But I knew that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness, not for the loss of money but for the loss of trust. And writer says, in my short career as a thief, see, actually it is humorous language. Writer says, in my short career as a thief means stealing thing is also career. Humorous part. But for whatever time, and one more thing, my short career as a thief means till today, he robbed many people, he did many theft. He did what? Many theft. But that period was very short till today, means till that day. And writer says, I had studied many faces when I robbed them. Means writer says, I studied many people when I robbed them, how they reacted. Writer says, greedy man reacts in different way, rich man reacts in different way, poor man reacts in different way. A greedy person will cry and he would show means fear. Greedy person would what? Would cry and he would what? Show what we can say fear about the theft. Means generally greedy people when they are robbed, when their things are stolen, they cry. They show fear. I lost so much, I lost this much, like this. Whereas whenever a rich person is robbed, rich person shows anger. Whenever a rich person is robbed, rich person shows what? Anger. How? Because he has what we can say confidence about his power. I will do this, I will do that. That's why rich person shows what? Anger. I will do this, I will do that means what? I will inform to police commissioner, I will inform to minister. Means in this way he has what we can say proud about his what we can say power. That's why he shows what? Anger. And poor person. You know, poor people, they don't show what we can say power also, and they don't show sadness also, because already poor people, they have very less wealth. If somebody is robbed them, they don't cry for that. They show what we can say acceptance. Now here what is meant by acceptance? Acceptance means accepting that this was our destiny. They accept what? Such type of things, such type of acts in their life as what? Destiny. They say, okay, it was in our destiny. That's why it happened. So they blame to their luck. They blame to their destiny. But writer says Anil was not in this category. Anil was not in what we can say rich man's category. Anil was not in greedy man's category, and Anil was not in what we can say poor man's category also. What type of person was Anil? Writer says, when he will discover, when he will come to know about my theft, he will neither show what we can say fear, he will neither cry, he will nor show anger, he will nor show what we can say acceptance also, he will show just sadness. And why sadness? Not because of loss of money, but because of loss of faith. Because whenever Anil will come to know about the theft, he will not feel bad about money, but he will feel bad about what? Array, I believed this person, but he deceived me. And because of this deceiving, he will feel bad. Further, writer says, I found myself in Maidan and sat down on a bench. The night was chilly. It was early November and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. Writer says, he was walking through what we can say bazaar. After bazaar, writer says, I found myself in the Maidan. Writer says what? I found myself in the Maidan means what? In thought. Which thought? Where to stay for night, where to stay for night. In that thought, writer walked through what? He walked through bazaar. And while walking, he came at one point. And what was that point? That point was Maidan. Now, here what we can say, code mixing is there. Code mixing means what? Hindi word is used in English language. Actually, Maidan is what we can say Hindi word. All of you know what is meant by Maidan? Ground. Writer says, I found myself in Maidan, means I came in one ground. And after coming in the ground, writer says, I sat down on a bench. Generally in cities, when there are grounds, in that grounds, benches are also there for sitting purpose. So writer says, I sat on a what? Bench in the what? Ground. The night was chilly. It was early November. And writer says the night was chilly. Chilly means what? Cold. And why night was cold? Obviously, see what was the month? November month. And in the month of November, in our country, which season is there? Winter season is there. So obviously, the night in the month of November is what? Is always chilly. That's why writer says what? The night was chilly. Night was chilly means what? The night was cold. And a light drizzle added to my discomfort. On the other hand, already night was what? Chilly. On the other hand, what happened? A light drizzle. Drizzle means what? A light rain added to my discomfort. Means what? Comfortness. Why? Because writer, first of all, writer was only on what? Pajama and kurta. And because of this thin pajama and kurta, he was already feeling what? Cold. On the other hand, at the same time, suddenly what happened? Suddenly, there started what? Light raining. Means on one hand, there was cold, and on other hand, light rain started to come. That's why it added in the trouble of what? In the trouble of writer. Soon it was raining quite heavily. And writer says, at first rain was light. But very soon, after some times, very soon means what? After some times, after few minutes, it started to run heavily. My shirt and pajama stuck to my skin and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. And because of this heavy rain, what happened? My shirt and my pajama, both were what? Thin. They stuck to my body. Stucking means what? Stuck. Actually, stuck is what we can say past form of what we can say stick. They stuck. Means they get what? Fastened to his body. Obviously, when we get wet in the what we can say rain, when we get what? Wet in the rain, our clothes are fastened to our body. Fastened means what? Become fixed. They become what? Fixed to our body. Likewise, writer says, my shirt and my pajama stuck to my skin. Stuck to my skin means what? Became fixed. Became fixed to my skin. And a cold wind blew the rain across my face. And in that, wind also started to blow. Blow means move, suppose. Here blew means brought. Because of wind, what happened? Rain started to come on my face. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. And writer says, because of this cold environment, because of this heavy rain, and in that heavy rain what started? Wind started to blow. Because of these three reasons, I went back again to where? Again to bazaar, means area near that railway station. And sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. Writer said, sat down in the shelter. Shelter means what? Under the clock tower. Now clock tower means what? Generally in British period, wherever British stayed, in those cities, in those towns, in those villages, they always built a tower at the center of that village, that town, that city. And on that tower, what they used to do? They used to fix a big watch. Why? So that people should come to know about time. Because in those days, watches were very precious. Only rich people could have watch. Poor people, common people could not have watch. Generally, in those period, British had watches. Indians, they were already poor. That's why they could not purchase. Few may have, but maximum people, they didn't have what? Watches. So for time, they used to go where? Clock tower, where only one clock used to be there on that high tower. Likewise, tower means big construction used to be there. Even though under that construction, many people could take what? Shelter also. Such type of construction used to be there. Today also, if you go to Mumbai, cities like Mumbai, And if you go to places like what we can say Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, that is Victoria Terminus, or if you go to Church Gate, today also there are such type of big towers are there, and on these towers these watches are there. So writer also went back into the where bazaar, and he sat under such type of what tower, that is called as what clock tower. I felt for notes. Sorry, the clock showed midnight. And writer says the clock showed what? Midnight. The clock showed midnight means what? Time of midnight. Now what is time of midnight? Midnight means obviously what time is called as midnight? 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock is called as what? Midnight. I felt for notes. And writer says what? I felt for notes. I felt for notes means what? Now, after sitting under that tower, I remembered for what? Notes. Notes means what? Bundle of that money. I felt for the notes. They were damp from the rain. And when writer remember about what? About the notes, about that bundle, he took out that bundle and he looked at that bundle and he saw that notes, they were damp. They were damp means what? Little wet. They become what? They became little wet. Anil's money. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now I had it all. And afterwards, writer looks at these notes and one thought comes in his mind. What thought comes in his mind? He says, Anil's money. Means somewhere the natural character, natural tendency of writer is what we can say a good human's tendency is there. That's why when he look at these notes, wet notes, he thinks whose money is there? Anil's money is there, which I robbed. And he realizes, what he realizes? He thinks that in the morning he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, because Anil was such a good person. Writer says in the morning, probably means what? Possibly, because whenever Anil got some money, he might have given him for what we can say for cinema or for something, some money. Here writer says probably he might have given me 2 or 3 rupees for what? Picture. Picture means what? Cinema, movie. Means such type of generous behavior of Anil's is depicted over here. And writer says he might have given me 2 or 3 rupees for movie, but now I had it all. I had it all means what? All that money I have. I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. And writer says, now I could not prepare meal for him. Now I could not run to the bazaar or learn to write whole sentences. Now he is feeling what? Sad about such type of things. About what type of things he is feeling sad? That still today I can prepare food for Anil. Still today I could go in the bazaar for Anil and I could learn sentences, but because of this theft I have to miss all these things. I cannot do all these things now. Means somewhere he is feeling bad about all these things also. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. And writer says, I had forgotten about them in the excitement of theft. Means I was so excited for theft, for robbing. In that excitement for bad thing, even though I forgot many good things. And in that good thing, what was the important thing? He could write whole sentences. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. And writer says, today I robbed, I stole few hundred rupees. And in this way, how many days I will rob money in few hundred rupees? In robbing, I cannot earn much, but if I learn to write, that writing can bring me much more than these few hundred rupees. How? As I told you, in those days, lot of importance was there for education. And in those days, an educated person needn't to rob anybody. He need not to steal anything from anybody. Such a importance was there for education, and today it is also. That's why writer think being able to write sentences can bring me much more than what? Stealing few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. On the other hand, writer says, stealing things is very simple act. Nothing is difficult in that. Stealing things is very simple act. Nothing is what we can say difficult in that. And in this process, many times we can be caught also by the people and by the police. That is also not what we can say very impossible thing. It is also possible. Means both the things are very simple. Stealing is also simple, and being caught by somebody, it is also very simple. Nothing is difficult in that. But writer says both the things are very simple. Stealing is also simple, and being caught by somebody, it is also simple. But what is not simple? Being a big man. Big man means what? A person who has a name because of his qualities, that is called as big man. But it is very difficult to become what? Become a really big man. Two types of big men are there. A person like what we can say, gundas, dons, they are also big men. Why they are also big men? Because their name and fame is also there. They have their name, they have their fame. But writer is not talking about only big man. Writer is talking about really big man. Really big man means what? A person who earns name and fame because of his good qualities, that is called as really big man. And it is what? Writer says, becoming a really big man, a respected man, is what? Is something different. Is something different means what? It is not possible easily. I should go to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. And on that writer says, I should go back to Anil if I want to learn read and write. Why? Because if I am able to read and write, I need not to steal few hundred rupees. I need not to run here and there like a coward person. On the other hand, if I am able to read and write, I can become really big man, a respected man, something different person. And if I want to become a really big man, I should go back to whom? Anil. This thought comes in writer's mind. And what happens next? We will see in next episode. For today, we will stop here. See you again.